Record in the matter 26 CF 28, State of Wisconsin versus Gary Fetzich. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney, or excuse me, through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Fetzich appears in person with counsel Bruce Anderson. We're set today in this matter for a status conference. Mr. Anderson, please update the court.
Well, as the court can see, Mr. Fetzich is here today. He advises me he has another surgery, which will be about his third or fourth in the past couple of months, coming up the 27th of August. We have really come to the conclusion that he wants to have a trial in this matter. The matter is going to be timing. He hopes to be healthy after this latest surgery. They're removing a foreign object that was left in his abdomen during one of the last surgeries. So.
Do we have the lab analyst?
Yeah.
Mr. Anderson, would you think it would be 1 day or two?
It's felony with an analyst. You know, thinking of even picking a jury for a felony case is a little bit more intense than otherwise.
Not here.
Pardon me?
Not here. We pick them pretty quick.
Yeah, but you've got more to get for a 12 person.
I don't know why it would be different. The elements are the same.
What's
Well,
that?
he's saying versus a 6-person jury.
It's one of the crime labs. It's Wausau. It's the Wausau Crime Lab. The number for that one ends in 8626, the phone number. And the analyst for this one is Lexus Hagedorn.
Lexus. Off record for scheduling.
Crime Lab, Alexia speaking.
Hi, this is Judge Mogan in Burnett County. I need to schedule with Lexus Hagedorn an OWI jury trial.
Okay. And what date did you want to schedule it for?
Well, let's just see if first I have to see with the attorneys. November 2nd and 3rd.
It looks like you'd be number 1 both days.
Does that work?
Yeah.
All right, November 2nd and 3rd.
Okay. Do you have our lab case number?
Yes.
Mr. Schmidt, the district attorney will tell you that.
It is CL26-01090.
Okay. And what's the court case number?
26 CF28, State of Wisconsin versus Gary Fetzich.
All right. And we'll get that on our calendar for November 2nd and 3rd then.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Back on the record, same appearances as previously noted. The court has scheduled a number 1 jury trial with lab analyst Lexus Hagedorn for November 2nd and 3rd. We need to set a final pre-trial. Mr. Fetzich, that is the court's drop dead date where any agreement must be reached before that date and time. Otherwise, the state would need to dismiss in entirety, or you would plead guilty to the charges. October 5th at 10:30.
I'm scheduled in Shell Lake.
October 7 at 9.
Works.
All right, you can come up here and get your notice and then you're free to go. Thank you.
Oh, what was the jury trial date?
11, 2, and 3.
11, 2, and 3.
Mr. Anderson, do you have other clients?
I do.
Oh, yes, you do. Natasha Mansfield. Go on the record in the matter 26 TR 181, 26 TR 301, Town of Menon versus Robin Bellinger. Appearances are, we have Ms. Bellinger in person with counsel Bruce Anderson. We have Chelsea Whitley representing the Town of Menon by video conferencing capability. We're set for a status conference. Mr. Anderson, please update the court.
Your Honor, this case, it's going to be subject to some motions. I have received discovery, some from, frankly, I got it from Mr. Benson and Ms. Whitley. Were you sending more?
I sent you what I believe is everything you need, the incident report, like 7 or 8 videos and all the documents that was mailed out on August 4th.
I thought you'd indicated the videos were going to be delivered, dropped at my office. And in fact, I spoke with another attorney who said he almost got to bring them to me.
Yeah, they're on a thumb drive because it wasn't something I could email. So yes, it was mailed. Just because I hadn't had to get up to Balsam Lake, and I know
Right.
prior to this status conference, so I wanted to get them out. So they were dropped in the mail.
Okay, well, I've not received those at this point.
Okay, so you need more time to be able to get the discovery, to review the discovery, to be able to make a decision on whether or not a motion needs to be filed?
Yes.
September 24 at 9, would that work for a status?
No, I'm in a trial in Polk with Mr. Kemp.
September 28 at 1:45?
What time? 1:45?
Yes.
That works.
All right, September 28th at 1:45. We'll get a status on where we are in the case.
Is that live or?
You can be by Zoom.
And you, okay.
As long as Ms. Bellinger, you're okay with him appearing by Zoom? Yes. Okay.
This is a forfeiture, so I think I can appear without her presence.
Yeah, you don't even need to
Okay.
be present.
Good. All right,
Is there a Schroeder here?
so you're good to go.
Any Schroders? Guess not. If there is a Schroeder, you're needed downstairs. On the record in the matter 25 TR 979, 980, 981, and 25 CM 04, State of Wisconsin versus Gabrielle Daly. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Daly appears in person with Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson, please update the court.
I received a DJOC from Mr. Schmidt, excuse me, referring only to the CM file. I was not aware that Mr. Benson had, in fact, I have a note in my file that the TR files belong to Mr. Benson. Apparently he's now, or since then, passed them on to Mr. Schmidt. And Mr. Schmidt and I have not had any negotiations concerning all those traffic matters. According to my file.
Mr. Schmidt, the ones that Mr. Benson gave to you, are they included in the offer?
It is. I indicated in my email on March 11th, Attorney Benson would let me read in these tickets into the associate criminal case.
So they'll be dismissed and read in. Do you need more time?
I think
talk
I
to the
want to
client?
just have a little more chance to speak with Mr. Schmidt then about even the dismissal and read-in. What had happened, Judge, is early on in this process, before I was involved, there was a refusal, and Ms. Daly was having health problems at the time this all occurred, and she was having a seizure, in fact, and the notice of intent was mailed to her.
So you just need to negotiate the refusal and whether or not they would deem it as being reasonable.
And or reopen and make it something else, yes.
Okay.
So,
How about well, if you're gonna be by Zoom on the 28th, then that probably won't work. And that's an 88 week. Can you
well,
do?
I can make it live.
Well, we can move it. It's a Mr. Schmidt case anyway, so we can move it to, are you available September 23rd at 2:45?
I think that's day one of the trial with Mr. Kemp. It is, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. And did you say that was a 2-day or 3-day?
It's a 2-day.
2-day? How about 11:30 on September 25th?
I have a 10:30 in Polk with Judge Anderson. I think that'd be close, because he comes out of drug court and starts into his calendar, and that's oftentimes not done.
Give me 1 second. It'll be a tentative plea. What about 1 o'clock on the 25th, or 1:15 on the 25th, actually?
1:15 on the 25th would work.
All right, 1:15 on September 25th. We'll see you then. Come get your notice and you're free to go.
Wait for me.
Gary Fetsich. 26 CF 25 CT 52, State of Wisconsin versus Natasha Mansfield. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Mansfield appears in person with counsel Bruce Anderson. We're set today in this matter for status conference. Mr. Anderson, please update the court.
Your Honor, as the court may recall, my client was turned down for the IDIP program because of prior involvement. It appears as if she will be, if accepted by treatment court, that will work. I guess we have to apply at this point and see if she's accepted.
I believe she has and she is.
Oh, that got through. I wasn't aware of that. Okay.
If things go and if it reaches resolution, she would qualify.
And for your drug court, you have to have a plea to get her into drug court. So,
Yes.
that's what you're intended to do, yes. Yeah, we intend to do that. Yes. So I guess we can schedule a plea hearing.
All right. Available September 9th at 2:45.
Doesn't sound good. Trying a case in Balsam Lake before Judge Yackel. For 3 days.
Wow, that's a long one. Could we schedule on an ADA week, September 3rd, if it works for Mr. Anderson?
Chair Judge.
Mr. Anderson, can you do either morning or afternoon after 1:30?
I can only do the morning prior to maybe like 9:30.
We can do 9:30.
Is there a different time that day?
Is it public safety?
Yes.
How about September 4 at 9?
Works for me.
All right, September 4th at 9 a.m. We'll see you then. Come and get your notice and you're free to leave. Mr. Nelson? We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 43, State of Wisconsin versus Stephen Nelson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Nelson appears in person with counsel Bruce Anderson. We're set here today in this matter for a status conference. Mr. Anderson, please update the court.
Offer was received from Mr. Schmidt. My client has chosen not to accept that offer. And we guess we would like to see a trial date.
October 21st.
I'm out of town that time, that date. I am gone.
The whole week.
Yes. Couple days prior week too.
October 29th.
Trying a case in Shell Lake.
November 5th.
That works for me.
All right, we will schedule it for November 5th. Now we need a drop dead date. You are coming back. Is it October 7th at 9 a.m.? October 7, 9 a.m. That is what's the drop dead date where the court doesn't accept any agreements after that. It will go to trial. Okay, Mr. Nelson?
All right.
You can come get your notice and you're free to leave. Thank you. Go on the record in the matter 25 CF 129, State of Wisconsin versus Stephen Halverson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Emma Hanu appearing in person. We do not have Mr. Halverson. We're set today for a status conference. Ms. Hanu, do you have an update for the court?
I do, Your Honor. Mr. Halverson called me at approximately midnight last night to let me know that he was being admitted to the hospital following some issues with his extensive medical issues that the court is aware of. He did make contact with me again this morning to let me know that he is still in the hospital. At this point, I guess I would just be asking to set this out one final time, given that, well, he's down pretty bad, Your Honor.
August 27 at 10:15.
I would not be available. No. Your Honor, you're doing Richard Riley's sentencing?
10:15 on August 27?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
It says it's assigned to you.
What is it? Oh,
It's a sentencing.
that's
after
at
revocation.
10:45. I said
10:45.
10:15.
Okay. That's just in Washburn.
I'm not going to Washburn.
Okay. Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll make it work.
Yeah, I have a full morning. I have an out of county, but I think we've discussed on the record with that
Mm.
he was okay with the court appearing by
Yes,
Zoom.
yep, totally fine with that.
10:15 on the 27th.
That'll work.
Okay. August 27, 10:15. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 110, State of Wisconsin versus Colton Stewart. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Emma Hanu, Defense Counsel, appears in person. Mr. Stewart does not appear. Ms. Hanu, you indicated, or do you have an update for the court?
Your Honor, Mr. Stewart has not contacted me or been able to contact me or has contacted me since January, so I have no other information to offer the court.
Mr. Schmidt, what is the state requesting?
I'd ask for a warrant.
Court will issue a warrant, $500 cash. Only judge may quash or posting of the cash. He will be provided a new date and time upon posting. The court is going to forfeit all cash that is currently held or that currently has been paid for bail, except that there's $250 that has been held for restitution, but he did post $300 for failing to come to court the last time. So that will be forfeited to the county. The other will remain for the restitution, unless restitution is $300. Okay, so we'll hold an additional $50 for the total of the restitution, and the rest will be for